Hey guys, unbox this blind box with me. So right now I have this random series of a blind box, and as soon as I saw this, I fell in love with it. Like fell in love. It's so cute. Like look at the box, like the details, everything. Got this from Palmer. Everything in this series is so cute. Here's the 360 of the box. So I just got a clock. It's so cute. This, like, is what you can get from me. Like, it's so cute. Okay, I like all of these on the bottom. This, and this, and this, and this. Those are my top picks. But all of them, others, are so cute. I love the others too. And I also want the secret. Here's the box. Okay, let's open it. I'm gonna open it in 3, 2, 1. So satisfying. Okay. So I don't want to look at the box because I think there's like a little card in there. Like there's probably a card in there, obviously. So I don't want to look at it. I almost saw the card. Okay, here's that aside. Here's the bag. It's so cute. The bag is so cute. The packaging is so cute right now. Like, look at it. Okay, I'm gonna open it in 3, 2, 1. You guys look first. Is it cute? Okay, I'm gonna open my eyes in 3, 2, 1. Okay. This is actually the one I wanted. Oh my god. Wait, she's actually so cute. There's something here, so we're gonna pull it out. Okay, I'm gonna pull this out. There's like this or something. It's a light. This is the cutest thing I ever saw. Okay, here's the card. It's so cute. These are the instructions. We don't need that. Look at the card. It's so cute. It's so cute. And like this. Like, I love it. Like, look at it. Okay, that was it. Bye guys. Love you. She said, love you.